Are you videoing right now?
I am.
Wait, stop. I don't know.
What came today?
My side skirts for my car.
So now not only is your dad getting parts delivered, now you are too.
Yep.
So are you going to install them?
I'm gonna try. Gonna have to do some cutting on it and fitting, but hopefully it works.
Okay, so stay tuned.
So your next video is...
Oh, where's the videos? Are you doing this?
Yeah.
All right.
is we build a
Bend it
Chevelle
out where you want it.
with small block and chunks.
Okay. He's got to get some other projects done first.
See what down looks like? Down will hold, will it? Where's it gonna be stronger at?
Probably.
Because you're gonna
here.
hit something with it.
Probably up.
Yeah.
Probably up here where it. But if you move it back a little bit, it hits these bends better. Does that look better or worse?
I think I like it back a
Right
little.
here.
Yeah.
All right. It'll. Yeah. I mean, there's plenty of meat here to. All right. Let me get some things.
That's up to you, bro. I don't know what his side looks like.
I think you need to go back more deep.
Probably go back a little bit.
Yeah.
That's about as far as I can go.
Because like, does your end have like a 2-finger gap at the end?
Mine does on my car, and his does here
Okay,
too.
that's
Yeah.
fine.
All right, you good?
So
Hold it, Micah.
I can always take him out.
So you turned the Mitsubishi into a Nissan with this pin spoiler?
It's actually from a Mustang.
Hey. Welcome to the country, redneck hillbilly, baby.
Is this still good on both sides?
Yeah.
You're good on the front. That's a pretty deal back more. You got to tuck that in. Yeah.
Where?
On
Tuck back
on
more.
Hunter's side.
Back more.
As long as whatever I'm doing doesn't hurt whatever they're doing.
Yeah. I think it looks good.
God forbid you take the self-tappers back out. So look at his side. That's better.
yeah, they're about
He's
the
better
same.
now that he went back in.
Yeah, right there. Good.
All right, I'm just gonna come to the. Start coming around here. Hold on.
$80 isn't bad.
How
for
quick
it.
are you gonna go? It depends on how many self-tappers he puts in.
You better not be going very quick at all.
Never.
I'll probably put a couple of like bolts so it can't totally rip out.
Like when he bottoms it out, or
Coming up the driveway.
The only thing I've scraped is the exhaust.
well, you just added what, 2 inches, inch and a half down.
Fine.
So who was in my 3000 back in the day when Kyle ramped? That was Pete and Brad, I think. Both of you guys.
Please, Dave.
When you guys ramped at my dad's house.
I was driving because you had my Cutlass.
Well, I took the Cutlass because you guys ramped my car. And so I'm like, if they're ramping my car, I'm doing burnouts in the Cutlass.
That was a reasonable conversation right there. I took your car because you took my car.
And I stopped leaving my keys in my car after that day.
You should know better. Go ask John.
Hey, that Cutlass was a fun car.
And I'll come relieve you.
I forgot to tell you how much of a good car.
That was the blue one, right?
No,
Is it
it's like
even
a-
over
I have
here?
that cherry.
Yeah.
Everybody's happy?
No, Eric's. It was
Oh
the
yeah, the Smurf blue one. Yeah.
All right, you should be able to let go. Bad bods and hot rods.
I didn't know if you wanted that all hanging out on
Yeah.
video.
It's time for bigger shirts, ain't it?
I'm glad everybody's having fun out there.
Oh, it's pretty entertaining. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm out of self-tappers.
Did you hear that, Micah? You're gonna have to buy Dad some new self-tappers.
Wow, that's a whole $3 in Harbor Freight right there. He's got. Sounds like a lot of age rolling around on the concrete down there.
Yeah, put another one.
It's like you need a little touch up.
I need a lot of touch-ups.
So don't look too close. Is that
This
what you're
one's-
saying? Oh yeah, that one's really bad.
That's patina, man. Don't you know what sells?
Yeah, this thing's retro.
That looks.
And how many other people in high school right now have this car?
None.
That's pretty good.
Nice job.
I don't think those side skirts are gonna go on too easily. You can try.
It has side skirts.
Extensions.
It's a double
Go
seater
show 'em.
side skirt.
Whoa.
About to be.
Oil leak. All right, here we go. You're gonna hit. Oh! Nice. That's awesome. That looks good. Nice work, boys.
That's how it usually goes.
Nice
It's
work,
like,
man.
you guys have to do it all yourself.
Speed drop to the yard.
What you doing?
Hey,
At least he does drive
I zoomed in.
That's driving me nuts.
Yeah. He's like, is that you doing this with
He had it started a little. That looks good.
and off and everything.
All right, show him how to shift.
So the shifter is over here, 4 speed up and down.
Oh wait, I can't see it.
You want me to take it?
No, there you go.
Right here.
Yeah.
That's shifting.
So cool.